Did you know that one of the most famous women in the Bible wasn't even Jewish? Her name was Ruth, and her story shows us how loyalty can change everything. After losing her husband and sons, Naomi felt so bitter she changed her name to Mara, which means bitter. She told her daughter-in-law Ruth to go back to her own family and God's, but Ruth refused. She made one of the most beautiful promises ever spoken. Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people and your God my God. Ruth chose loyalty over convenience, even though it meant poverty and being a foreigner. When they reached Bethlehem, Ruth worked in the fields, picking up leftover grain like the poorest people did. Her hard work and loyalty caught the attention of a wealthy man named Boaz, who eventually married her. Ruth became the great-grandmother of King David and part of Jesus' family line. When we choose loyalty over what's easy, God can bless us in ways we never imagined. Please subscribe for more.